Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at ValveLoreLandon.com, a site that claims to sell stylish clothing and footwear like cashmere hoodies and suede loafers for the elegant crowd. Because nothing says high-end fashion quite like a brand name that sounds like a character from a low-budget fantasy novel. The real question, of course, is whether this website is actually legit or just a digital mirage. We decided to walk through the evidence so you don't have to. First, we checked their domain registration, and it turns out the site was registered in November 2024, making it barely a month old. New domains have zero history and no track record, which is usually a sign that the brand has less staying power than a New Year's resolution. Whenever a store is this fresh out of the oven, it's always safer to keep your credit card in your pocket. Next up, let's talk about those premium products. At first glance, the photos look great, clean, professional, and very expensive. However, a quick reverse image search shows that these pictures were actually lifted from other sources. Apparently, original photography is far too much effort when you can just copy-paste your way to a catalog. If a company can't even be bothered to take a photo of the actual shirt they're selling, you should probably wonder if the shirt even exists. Then we looked for a social media presence and found absolutely nothing. No Instagram, no Facebook, not even a stray Pinterest board. In today's world, a brand without social media is like a ghost at a party. Everyone's pretty sure it's not supposed to be there. This complete lack of online connection makes the site feel less like a business and more like a temporary pop-up shop designed to vanish. Moving on to customer support, they offer nothing but a lonely email address. There's no phone number and no live chat, so if your order goes sideways, you're basically shouting into a digital void. It's the kind of customer service that makes a carrier pigeon look like high-speed fiber optics. This lack of transparency is a massive red flag for anyone who values their sanity. Finally, we looked at the reviews. While their own website is filled with glowing, polished testimonials, outside platforms like Trustpilot show a single, lonely one-star review. We also checked Reddit and found zero discussions, which is impressive considering people on Reddit will argue about literally anything. To wrap it up, with a brand new domain, stolen images, and zero social proof, this site is a hard pass. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to keep your money where it belongs. Stay safe out there.